whisper years, holding triumph, love, and tears, passed down gently from hand to hand. Born from hearts that chose to stand, a quiet echo from days long past, showing how courage can always last. A lace heirloom touched by history's light, carrying stories through the fading night. Delicate threads with strength inside, a symbol of a love that will not hide, holding the memories of those before, a gift that lives forevermore. When the world feels heavy to the touch, this tiny keepsake means so much. Its gentle fabric softly reveals how bravery feels when the moment heals. Not just beauty, but something true, a legacy woven to guide you through, reminding your heart with each soft line that valor lives in your own design. A lace heirloom touched by history's light, carrying stories through the fading night. Delicate threads with strength inside, a symbol of a love that will not hide, holding the memories of those before, a gift that